shit. Little Sally Walker sitting in a saucer. Oh, how I toss that ass. Like a mission in the woods, Woody Woodpecker would if he could, but I didn't want to pass it up. Till the next man had my Walkman bumping on the 50-yard line and my adrenaline pumping like a killer thriller, driller chiller. Out with the filler, filler up, juke until the damn Dutch puke. Luke Skywalker ain't a sweet talker, so I got ill with my lifesaver that came in one fancy flavor. My strange behavior led to an outburst. The night felt good, but the day got worse. I thought I was a lone slim trade, the stowaway with a brown-eyed bombshell that was dope enough to pay. I looked over my shoulder and my cover was peeled by my whole school saying, ooh, and I'm busted for real. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Wanna say the least. I'm so slick that they need to call me Grease, cause I slips and I slides when I ride down the beach. Imani and your mom sitting in a tree. K-I